Jaxson. Jaxson. Excuse me, sir. Are you supposed to be on the couch? Are you supposed to be on the couch? Excuse me. You supposed to be on the couch? And you got a blanket. Like you cozy. Excuse me. 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 You supposed to be on the couch? Hey, little homie. You gonna get up off this couch or what? Hello? Are you gonna get up off my couch? You gonna get down? You just gonna stay there? That's what they doing out here in these streets? Is just hanging out on people's couches while they sleep? You didn't think I was gonna get up and catch you, huh? Get down. Jaxson. Don't ignore me. Jaxson. Get down. Jaxson. He need to just get down.